Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to manage projects, collaborate with your team, or stay organized? In this video, I will show you how to use SmartSheet step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. SmartSheet is a cloud-based work management tool that looks like a spreadsheet, but it's way more powerful. You can use it for project management, task tracking, workflows, forms, and collaboration. To get started, go to smartsheet.com and now click Try Smartsheet Free. You can sign up with your email or Google account. Once you are in, you will land on the home dashboard. Enter your email address, then click What's the demo for this tutorial. I will show you demo. Then choose your role, then company size, then select your country name, then click What's the demo. When you are in, click the plus icon from your dashboard. Wait a minute. Spreadsheet, spreadsheet, sorry, SmartSheet, dashboard. Click the plus icon to create a new sheet. You can start from a blank sheet or choose from dozens of pre-built templates like project tracker, calendars, or sales pipelines. Let's start with a project task list template. You can sign in with your Google account, Microsoft account. Just click sign in with your Google account. Select your account. And now your sheet looks like a spreadsheet, but with more features. You can add columns like drop downs, checkbox, dates, or contracts. Now use the toolbar at the top for filters, formatting, and sharing. Add or edit tasks just like in Excel. Let's add some tasks. Enter your task names in the first column. Enter and assign tasks to your team using the assigned to column. Set start and end dates, prioritize and status. Smartsheet has multiple views: grid view, classic spreadsheet style, Gantt view, Great for timelines, card view, like Trello, good for Kanban style boards. You can switch views based on your workflow needs. Automations. One of the most powerful features is automation. Click automation or work apps. Send an email when a task is marked. Notify someone when a due date is near. It saves time and keeps your team updated. You can figures like this. To collaborate, click share from the template section and invite teammates via email. You can choose permission labels, viewer, editor, or admin so everyone has the right access. Just click, just enter your friends or members' email address, then choose the role like admin, editor, commenter, viewer, then click share. You can copy the link and paste it onto your WhatsApp, Messenger, etc. Want to collect information first? Click the Forms tab to create a form tied to your sheet. Also use reports to pull data from multiple sheets into one dashboard. Great for managers or team. Just click create form and follow the process. And that's your beginner's guide to using SmartSheet. It's perfect for teams, freelancers, or anyone managing projects. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more productivity tutorials. Drop a comment if you want a full automation or Gantt chart tutorial next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.